Hello and welcome everyone. In this video, we are going to discover a new tool in cryptocurrency that will help us detect arbitrage in crypto. This tool is ETHREAL. So what ETHREAL can do? Without any further ado, let's see how ETHREAL going to work. First thing, this is the interface of ETHREAL. This is where you are going to enter the setting, and here you are going to see the result. So the first thing is, as you can see here, the first thing we took in our consideration while creating ETHREAL is to make the interface very friendly and very simple, so anyone can understand what is this. So first thing, let's see our first example. We are going to select the trading pair here, and then in this time we are going to add a custom coin. We are going to see Bitcoin as first example, and then let's start. As you can see here, the indicator is saying that ETHREAL is running. Perfect. This is our first result. So as you can see here, selected coin is Bitcoin, and best bid and ask for Bitcoin in these selected exchanges. As you can see, this is the coin, this is the exchange, and this is the trading pair, the price of bid, and the price of the ask. Very simple. This is how you can read ETHREAL. So as you can see, ETHREAL going to scan the order book. It's not going to scan the price itself. It's going to scan the order book because we want arbitrage. And that way we can detect arbitrage. And also, if you're going to scan the order book because of the liquidity. We want liquidity in arbitrage, of course. So this is the example. As you can see here, 18 exchanges here. Here is 18 exchanges, all the mentioned exchanges. And then you are going to see here on the bottom, the lowest ask price of Bitcoin, which is in Probit and Binance, and the highest bid of Bitcoin, which is in Bitfinex. And if you buy from the lowest ask and you sell in Bitfinex, you are going to get this profit, 0.15. That's it. That's how ETHREAL going to work. You are going to buy low and sell high. ETHREAL will help you to find the market that has low price and the market that has high price. So you can buy from the low and sell in the high. Very simple. This is how ETHREAL works. So let's see another thing. Let's select this time predefined coin. And then let's click predefined coin. As you can see here, this is the list of the predefined coin. There is over about 3,435 coin here, mentioning all the popular coin as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and any coin you want to look for it, you can type it here. For example, Bitcoin Cash, Yes, it's available here. You can look for any coin here. And also, Ethereal going to pick from this coin randomly. It's going to pick randomly. It's not going to start by Bitcoin and then Ethereum and then RIP. No, it's not going to work like that. Because if it starts like that, we are not going to see a new result, or we are not going to see something new. The same scan will start again and again. But if Ethereal pick from this coin list randomly, we are going to see something new. We are going to see new arbitrage. We are going to discover a new coin. So let's run Ethereal and let's see how it will work. As you can see here, we select the trading per USDT and predefined coin, and we leave everything as it is here. And let's start. So this is the indicator. When the light is green, that means that the indicator is running. So the indicator has very important function in Ethereal. So this is our first example, this coin. As I told you before, Ethereal is going to pick from this list randomly. So we was talking about the indicator. As you can see, this is the indicator and this is the exchanges. When you see all the exchanges in green here in the bottom, that means that these exchanges, Ethereum receiving a call from these exchanges, which is very important. In that way, Ethereum going to work everything fine and the indicator will be green. Let's assume that we lost internet connection. Let's cut the internet connection, for example, and let's see what will happen to the indicator. As I told you, the indicator has very important function. It will tell you if Ethereum is fine, is working okay, or if there is any error. So let's cut the internet connection. Perfect. As you can see, the indicator is now red. No internet connection. So it's not running. That's the good thing about the indicator. It will indicate anything. Anything happen to Ethereum, it will tell you. That's very, very powerful thing. Let's restore the internet connection. Internet connection restored, and it's checking. When it's orange, it's checking connection. And then all connection okay. It's fetching data normally. Perfect. I hope you understand how this program going to work. If you don't understand anything, please contact me or leave a comment below. So this is how it works. And then we have here random coin selection. This box related to this input. For example, you can put your list here, Bitcoin, and you can add Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, or any coin, literally any coin, max of 10 coin, separated by comma. And if you select random coin selection, it will pick from your list, your input list here, it will pick randomly from it. And if we select this show time and date, that means that Ethereum going to show the time and date with the price, with the bid and the ask. Exactly. Look, when we select show time and date, now Ethereum going to show us the time and the date. See, that's very, very good and very useful. Let's stop Ethereum for now And let's see the time and date in Bitcoin. For example, you want to know the price of Bitcoin with the time and date. Very simple. You are going to put Bitcoin here or any coin you want to know the time and the date and the price, and click start. First, let's clear the result and then start. Well, as you can see here, ETHREAL normally scan the coin in 2 to 3 seconds, but it's completely depend on your internet connection. If you have strong internet connection and stable internet connection, ETHREAL will run so fast. My internet connection is between the low and the average level. So here is our example. Bitcoin, the best bid and ask, and the time and the date. See? Okay. If you want to save the result, you can save it. Very simple. Save result. And you can save it in the desktop, Bitcoin price. For example, save. And then we can see it. Here is perfect. This is very useful. Saving the result is very useful. And then we can start ETHREAL again, and we will talk this time about the exchanges. And the exchanges here, as you can see, we have Binance, Gauge, Keycoin, Bitget, Bybit, OKX, MEXC, Yobi, Sexio, Bitfinex, Probit, OrangeX, Peer-to-Peer, Pionex, Bitstamp, PingX, and Poloniex finally hit BTC. If you want, for example, to exclude, you can exclude any exchange you want. If you want to include, you can include any exchange you want. This is very simple. Also, there is some exchanges not serving worldwide. Some exchanges are not, for example, Bitstamp, for example, not serving in your country. So you can exclude it. Very simple. Because not all these exchanges are serving worldwide. Take that on your consideration. And also, there is something very important. ETHREAL is for everyone in the world. Is not for just some area in the world. No, it's for every trader in the world. ETHREAL also supporting other languages such as Chinese. You can turn, here is the example in Chinese. ETHREAL supporting other language as French, Spanish, and Russian. We can turn the interface and the result scan in French, for example. That's very good, right? So everyone in the world can use it. Let's see our French result. As you can see here, de sélectionner la paire de trading. That's very good because the interface now in French is completely up to you. You can choose whatever you want. Also, if you want to see another trading pair, for example here, and you want to see specific coin within the predefined coin, if you want to see another exchanges here, please contact me. And then here is the minimum exchange. For example, you can put here 2 or 3 or 4, 5, 6. Here is the maximum, of course, is 18 because we have 18 exchanges here. The maximum is 18. Here, that means that you are telling ETHREAL that look me for scan me a coin that is available on at least, or it's tradable on at least 2 exchanges, for example. For example, that coin must be tradable for at least 15 exchanges. That's very powerful. This minimum exchange is very powerful, trust me. Why? Because the max number, the big number you put here, the big possibility you are going to find an arbitrage, the big possibility you are going to find liquidity. Why? Because when a coin is available and at least is tradable in at least 15 exchanges, that means that this coin is popular. This coin has a lot of transaction. People are buying it and selling it. So this coin is a famous coin. And of course, big time it takes. The big number here you put, big possibility you are going to find arbitrage, big liquidity you will find, and big time it takes. Very good. Now, overall difference threshold. So I think I don't need to explain that. You can put here -10 also is open for that. Or you can put here minus number, or you can put if you want specific results, you can put between 2 to 50. I want that specific profit range. Very simple. And let's stop Ethereal. When you stop Ethereal, the indicator is black. Okay, that's it for now. If you don't understand anything, please contact me. I will explain in details in the comment below or in the email. Make sure also to subscribe because we will we will talk about Ethereal in details in the next video. We are going to see some example, some live example. We are going to see some tip and trick how to use Ethereal. This is the website of Ethereal, ETHREAL.thebot.com. You can download Ethereal from here. You can read about Ethereal and the website. Ethereal never asked for your API key or wallet or password. No, it's not going to happen. And then if there is anything or any problem, any question, please contact me. This is the Gmail. And if you have suggestion, issue, cooperation, offer, advice, please contact me. You need, as you can see here, you need to activate Ethereal. Ethereal is one-time payment and you can run Ethereal lifetime in your computer. There is no hidden fee. There is no monthly subscription, just one-time payment. Okay, I will show you how you are going to activate Ethereal. Okay, after you download Ethereal from here, from this button or any button on the website, you can download Ethereal, and then this is the screen that it will show after you download Ethereal activation. And then you have to read the term and condition and make sure to accept the term and condition and then continue. This is where you are going to activate Ethereal. You are going to put the email here and choose whatever coin you want. I recommend you go with Litecoin because Litecoin has a low fee. Copy the address and generate the email. You need to put the email here, for example, Ethereal. and generate payment. After you click generate payment, it will show you the amount that you need to send. Okay, that's it. 100.63, sometimes 0.7, sometimes 0.2, sometimes it's completely depend. But it will remain 100. And then copy the amount and send that amount and click verify payment. Make sure to not generate another amount if you send this amount. And click verify payment. After 3 to 4 to 5 seconds, 5 minutes, depend on the network, it will show you a screen here telling you that the activation is successful and you can continue to the app. And then you can start using ETHREAL a lifetime, forever on your computer. As I said before, if you want to see another exchange in ETHREAL, if you want to see another coin within the predefined coin list, because we have 3,000 here and we have 18 exchanges and 3 trading pair. If you want to see another thing and another tool, please contact me. I will integrate it to ETHREAL. And this is the ETHREAL Telegram channel. You can follow us here. We are posting some ETHREAL arbitrage scan on daily basis, so you can follow us here. Also, this is our X platform. You can follow us here. And this is our Facebook page. So that's it. This is ETHREAL website, ethereal.thebot.com. If you are interested in ETHREAL, please subscribe if you want, of course, and like the video if you want. And if you are interested to see another video talking about ETHREAL and seeing a live example, subscribe. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you understand how ETHREAL works. If you don't understand, please leave a comment or send me email. I am going to read every single letter and email. Thank you and goodbye.